Husqvarna Automower 115H is a robotic lawnmower that gives you a picture-perfect lawn. The mower works in a free movement pattern to cover your whole yard. It cuts a fraction of an inch so there are no clippings to collect. Automower is a safe technology with specialized safety blades and advanced sensors. When the battery runs low, Automower follows the guide wire back to the charging station automatically. Boundary wires keep Automower on your property. Automower works rain or shine, and it's quiet enough to use at night. Don't worry about theft. Automower has a built-in alarm. You can set the schedule using a simple smartphone app. The Automower 115H is hose washable, making cleanups a breeze. Plus, as a battery product, you'll never have to worry about engine maintenance. Automower gives you more time for gardening or anything else you want to do. That's why with millions sold worldwide, Automower is the world's best-selling robotic lawnmower.